Hey guys, so excuse that background noise that you might hear in the back because my fan is on and it is currently like 200,000 degrees out, and I kind of can't record when I'm, you know, melting my makeup off, so bear with me with the fan noise. Anyways, in this video I am going to be doing a new trend that Nikki Tutorials herself came up with, and it is called the Google Picks My Makeup Challenge. And Nikki put her video out like, I don't know, 5 days ago, and I just really thought I wanted to kind of do this video myself. So if you want to see that, then just keep on watching. How the challenge works is I have to look up my 3 initials. Well, Nikki did just 2 initials, but I'm doing my first, middle, and last name, which is AJJ, and after that you put the word look. So it's like kind of like makeup look, but you just do your initials and the word look. Look it up on Google. So let me get my screen recorder on. Okay, so I am gonna be looking up AJJ look. Images, go to images, and the first thing that pops up should be, oh, okay, so this is the first thing that came up. Okay, it's some guy screaming to the microphone. I'm trying to think what I can do with this. So there's purple, there's red, there's orange that I see, there's teal, there's black. Those are the main colors that I really see. So those are the colors that I will be putting on my eyes and maybe my lips. So, let's get into it, shall we? Alright, so I think I'm going to start off with the orange shade. So I'm going to take the Morphe 35B palette, and I am taking that orange shade that is in there. I'm just going to use this brush that I got off of Amazon in a brush set, but yeah. After that, I'm going to be taking the red shade in the same palette because in the picture it has some, oh god, I'm out of focus, but in the picture it has some red in it, so let's move on. And I'm going to apply that with my Morphe M330 brush. So I'm going to take some of the black from the same exact palette and then pop that into my outer corners and then drag it into my crease to deepen things up. Then I'm going to apply that with my Vasanti brush that I got in an Ipsy bag like last year. I'm just going to apply lightly because I do not want to be over dramatic, but I want to be dramatic enough to make things pop. Okay guys, I kind of said I did not want to be too dramatic about this, but it kind of turned out that way, but I'm going to make it work. I'm going to make it work, trust me. I'm going to do that type of cut crease halo eye where I like cut my crease and then like form that halo eye effect. So I'm going to take a nice flat concealer brush and then cut my crease to form that halo eye effect. So I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Tan Sand, and I'm just going to cut my crease with that, forming a halo eye shape. Okay, now that both of my eyes are cut, I am going to take, what should I start with? Okay, so there's purple and green that I see. I think I'm gonna take like a nice dark purple, and then the middle would be like a white color. Alright, let's just do that. Alright, so I'm starting off with the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, and I'm going to take the shade Makita and apply that to the outer part of my halo eye. Alright, with the same palette, I'm going to be taking the shade Giza, and this is like that nice blinding champagne shade in the palette, and I'm just going to apply that right in the center. Alright, as you can see, I finished applying the champagne shade and I went ahead and cleaned up the edges because it was looking a little harsh. So after that, in the picture he has like a green shirt on. So I'm going to be taking the BH Cosmetics Club Tropicana palette and I'm going to take that nice lime green shade because it is just beautiful, and I'm just going to pop that into my inner corners for a nice bright finish. And then I'm going to be taking this dark green shade from the Morphe 35B palette, and then I'm going to add that to my lower lash line. I like it. Alright guys, to make things even more dramatic, I'm going to apply some liquid liner. So I'm going to do a wing and apply some liner because, you know, I'm a dramatic person, so I'm gonna add some dramatic freaking liner. Come on now. Alright guys, so I applied the liner. I know it's very thick and dramatic. Honestly, I don't know if it looks that good, but you know, I did it anyway, so whatever, nothing I can do. But I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I have my lashes on, and these are the Ardell Double Up Lashes in the shade 207. And now it's time for lips. I'm gonna be taking the Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip, and this is in the shade And Chill, and I am just going to apply that to my lips like so. I'm applying this because the guy in the picture has like a brownish hair color, so that is the completed look. I hope the colors replicate what's in the picture. I personally think that I did a good job with replicating the picture and the color scheme. So if you like this video, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Also be sure to subscribe, as I am trying to hit 350 subscribers now. Currently I'm at 317 subscribers, so it is much appreciated for you to hit that subscribe button if you are new here and you enjoyed this video. Also leave some comments down below if you like this video. Leave me some positive feedback. Leave some suggestions below as well, as I will make some videos regarding your suggestions. I am open to suggestions, guys, so please drop them down below and I'll be happy to make that video for you guys. Like, why did my voice get so high pitched? I don't know, but I'll be happy to make that video for you guys. So again, like, comment, subscribe, get me to 350 subscribers. That's all I have to say. Have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye. And believe I'm gonna make it work. Trust and believe. Why do I think I can sing but I can't? I really can't. I cannot sing for my life. I cannot sing. I cannot sing. Why am I trying to sing when I know I can't sing? Alright. Guys, I just freaking dropped I just dropped my Morphe palette.